Smart lock setup tutorial. Model F17. Open the rear lock battery compartment cover. Long press the button for 5 seconds. Press the to confirm and restore initialization. 1. Multi-language switching. Enter the corresponding code to switch languages in the initialization state and wake up the smart lock by pressing the numerical area. Press to confirm. In the initialization state, input the corresponding code to switch languages. Enter code 555,666,888, then press to confirm and switch to Chinese. Enter code 555,666,880, then press to confirm and switch to English. Enter code 555,666,882, then press to confirm and switch to Portuguese. Enter code 555,666,883, then press to confirm and switch to Portuguese. Enter code 555,666,884, then press to confirm and switch to Russian. Enter code 555,666,885, then press to confirm and switch to Thai language. Enter code 555,666,886, then press to confirm and switch to Spanish. Enter code 555,666,887, then press to confirm and switch to Indonesian. First time use. Wake up the smart lock in its initial state. Press the enter administrator password 123,456. Press hash to confirm. Enter the system. 4. Add administrator. Press the one-door lock function. Press for to add administrator. Press 1 to add fingerprint. According to the voice prompt, enter the fingerprint 5 times in a row. Please note that when entering the fingerprint, please enter from multiple angles to ensure complete fingerprint recording. Press 2 to add password. Enter the administrator 6-digit password twice. Press the to confirm and press the to return to the previous step. Press 3 to add card. Enter the administrator card once. Return by press 1. Add user. Press 1 to add a user. Press 1 to add a fingerprint. According to the voice prompt, enter the fingerprint 5 times in a row. Please note that when entering the fingerprint, please enter from multiple angles to ensure complete fingerprint recording. Press the star sign to return to the previous step. Press 2 to add password. Enter a 6-digit password for regular users, which must be consistent twice. Press the to confirm and press the to return to the previous step. Press 3 to add a card. Enter user card once. Return by 2. Delete user. Press 2 to delete the user. Enter the user ID that needs to be deleted. Press the hash to confirm, and it will be deleted. Press the to return to the previous step. 3. Door lock settings. Press the 3 door lock setting. Press 1 function setting. Press 1 for double verification, and turn on or turn off according to your own needs. Press 2 to activate the anti-pry alarm, and turn on or turn off according to your own needs. Press the 3 normally open mode, and turn on or turn off according to your own needs. Press the star to return to the previous step. Press 2 to adjust the volume, 1 high volume, 2 middle volume, 3 low volume, mute 4. Adjust the volume according to your own needs. Press the to return to the previous step. Set language according to 3. Choose Chinese or English according to your own needs. Press the to return to the previous step. Press 4 for more settings. Press 1 time setting. Enter the current time. Press to record query. Fill information according to requirements. Press 5 to view the next page. Press 2 return. 3. Wireless settings. 1. Add network. Press 2 for wireless settings. Press 1 to add a network and enter the distribution network mode. 2. Delete network. Press 2 to delete the network. Press 2 return.